In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a Scan in Scanner Pro on iPhone. If you've ever snapped a document and found it sideways or upside down, this quick walkthrough will help you set it right so your scan looks clean and professional. Start by opening the Scanner Pro app on your iPhone. Give it a moment to load your library. You'll see your documents displayed as thumbnails in your Recents or All scans. Find the scan you want to fix and tap it to open. If you're not sure which one it is, look for the small preview image. You can usually spot the page that's misaligned at a glance. Once the scan is open, tap Edit. This brings up the editing tools you need for adjustments. In most versions of the app, Edit appears near the top or bottom of the screen and opens a toolbar with options for fine-tuning your image. Next, tap the crop icon. It typically looks like a square frame with overlapping corners, even though it says crop. This is also where the rotation controls live, so you're in the right place. The crop screen helps you refine borders, but today we're focusing on orientation. Now tap the rotate button, which looks like a square with curved arrows pointing left or right. Each tap rotates the page by 90 degrees. Keep tapping until the scan is upright and reads naturally from top to bottom. Take a second to check that text lines are straight and that nothing important is cut off along the edges. If your scan includes images or tables, make sure they're correctly aligned as well. The goal is to make the document easy to read and ready to share or store. When the orientation looks correct, tap Done or Save to apply the rotation. The button label can vary slightly depending on your app version, but it will confirm your changes and return you to the document view. Your scan should now display in the correct orientation in your library. If you're working with a multi-page document, remember that rotation usually applies to the page you're viewing. You can repeat the same quick process on any other page that needs adjustment. And if you don't see the rotate button right away, double check that you're in the crop screen, since that's where rotation tools are located in Scanner Pro. That's all it takes. Open the app, select your scan, tap Edit, use the crop icon, rotate until it's right, and save. With these steps, your documents will look polished and properly aligned every time.